Hello everybody and welcome. In this lecture we want to talk about the marker tool in Adobe Premiere Pro can save you in so many different ways. Editing requires a ton of organization and time, and we know this, but there is one tool in Premiere Pro that can help speed up your workflow and clean up your collaborative efforts in a bunch of different ways. Markers can assist you in identifying clips, making notes for later edits, and precisely syncing video and audio. And now in this video I want to show you 5 ways to utilize it. But at first I want to show you this is the marker, and with pressing this button you can add a marker to your source panel to your original file. For example, I put the pointer here and add a marker, or again add a marker here. And now I can customize them. But at first I want to tell you the duty of the markers. The first one is a label. You can use markers to label and color code clips, which is not only helpful for you but also for those you're collaborating with who need to know pertinent information about the project. The second one is navigate. Simply clicking on a marker in the markers panel allows you to jump to a desired point in the timeline. Another feature is about the sort and filtering. You can decide which markers appear in the markers panel by clicking on different colors, which is why it's a good idea to set up a color-coded labeling system so you can easily sort and filter what you're working on. Another feature is about the synchronizing. There are other ways to do this, but using markers is pretty quick and easy, and you can place markers on both the visual clip and audio hits. Select both clips, right click and select synchronize, and done. Okay, these are some features of the markers, but how we can use it. For customizing your marker, you can go to the project panel here and select this button and use the markers panel here. If I select this, you can see your markers in the source panel in this window. The first one is in this second and the second one is in this one. Now I can write a note for my marker. For example, I can write this is climax 1. This is climax 2. And now I can change the names to C1 and C2. Okay, now I go to the project. If I select to the markers and hold your cursor here, you can see the name C1 and the moments and the comments. This is climax 1, and you can use them in the long videos. If I again go to the marker, select this and double click on this thumbnail, we have some new features. You can see this is the comment, this is the name, this is the time, and I can change the marker color, for example, to red, or add a web link. For example, I paste my URL here, and if I click it, I can see my URL. Now I select the red, and the comment marker is OK, and now I press OK. This is my red marker here, and if I check the red, I can see both of them, and if I uncheck this, I can just see the red one. That is a very useful feature in the Premiere, which leads to improve your speed and the quality of your work. Okay guys, I will see you in the next lecture. That is enough for this video.